Hi. In this video, we will compare Klaviyo and MailChimp. Klaviyo is an email marketing platform that helps businesses grow by enabling them to engage with their customers through personalized email campaigns. It offers many features designed to enhance customer communication and drive sales. Klaviyo allows you to create and send targeted email campaigns based on customer behavior, preferences, and demographics. You can customize emails with dynamic content, A/B test variations, and automate the sending process. You can segment your audience based on various criteria, such as purchase history, browsing behavior, location, and more. This enables you to deliver highly targeted messages to specific customer segments. Klaviyo provides detailed analytics and reporting features to track the performance of your email campaigns. You can monitor metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, conversion rates, revenue generated, and more. Klaviyo offers powerful automation capabilities that allow you to set up triggered emails based on specific events or actions taken by your customers. Klaviyo integrates with various e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and other marketing tools, allowing you to sync customer data seamlessly and create a unified view of your customers across different channels. Klaviyo also provides a free plan. Klaviyo pricing plan is based on how many contacts you have and starts at $35 per month. On the other hand, MailChimp is a marketing automation platform, but its core functionality lies in email marketing. MailChimp is a good option for businesses of all sizes. MailChimp is a user-friendly platform that empowers businesses to create, manage, and track email marketing campaigns effectively. Design professional-looking emails with drag-and-drop tools and pre-built templates. Segment your audience to send targeted emails to specific groups of subscribers. Track the performance of their email campaigns with analytics tools. Automate email marketing tasks, such as sending welcome emails to new subscribers or abandon cart emails to people who leave items in their online shopping cart. MailChimp allows you to integrate with 300+ apps. MailChimp also provides a free plan with limited features, and paid plan starts at $10 per month. MailChimp plan is based on how many contacts you have. If you want to use both Klaviyo and MailChimp for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.